Hello everyone! So if you want to enable or disable automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you're to open up your settings, scroll up until you find your About Phone section right here. In About Phone section, look for OS version, here it is, and tap on it. I think you need to tap on it 7 times, right? Tap on it 7 times and we will unlock our developer mode. So now let's go back to the main settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Find your additional settings and here you are to find your developer options. Here they are. Tap on it and in your developer options we are to find automatic system updates tab. So let's do this. Here it is. So as you see, I got it activated already. However, if you want to turn it off, simply tap on the switch to turn it off, just like this. Now, if you activated it, your Xiaomi will automatically install updates after a reboot. So don't forget to restart occasionally for updates to apply. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.